of the most beautiful beaches that a tourist of Chania can visit is the beach Seitan Limania, or Stefanou. It is located 22 kilometers northeast of Chania and 2 kilometers east of Chordaki village. It is easily accessed by car or motorcycle, and during the drive you will have a privilege of admiring the grandeur of Crete's nature. Placed between rocky cliffs, it is a hidden jewel of wild beauty. Seitan Limania is both pebbly and sandy, with azure deep waters. Since there are no umbrellas, you can find shade near the rocks that surround the beach. Have in mind that in order to access the beach, one must walk for about 10 minutes on a steep and rocky trail. Moreover, the beach does not house touristic amenities, so get your snacks, water, and equipment from home or a store on your way there. Although it is not a very popular beach, during the weekends and the months of July and August, it is very popular.